So we just had a hailstorm. Yeah, not good. Look at this. I don't know why they have this structure inside. This was a big one. It broke. Okay, so my borlotti beans, they look a little bit damaged, but honestly it could have been much worse. No. My poor pumpkins. Uh-oh. My small peony was getting drowned under the cover crop. I definitely have to clean this. I had already cleaned it, but yeah. I mean, somewhere in here there are my chilies and peppers. So next on the farm. Okay, this is the aubergine. Unfortunately, these leaves are almost all with some damage. Could have been worse, but yeah. These are my watermelons. I don't know what's going on with my watermelon. It was like this already before. I mean, can you see this? This is huge. Okay, I think the worst damage is on my onions and garlics. Some are fallen, I can smell it. And this almost fell down. I mean, not almost, it fell down. But yeah. Oh, and this is the first time I want to show you. This is my first Nigella. The wisteria has grown so much. Look, it's gone. This area of my garden is actually surprisingly doing well. Even this one became very green. No, look at how many snails. Go away, I don't want you. Because it's been raining so much, I have actually cut the grass, and I'm not good with that machine because I keep forgetting that there are plants that I love. And so, yeah, let me show you. I actually cut one of my pumpkins. It's trying to come back, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't believe it will be able to come back. And I don't know what's going on. Two pumpkins have these kind of leaves. I have to research this. And yeah, I think I chopped off also this one here. But at least this part is still alive. But I need to figure out why this is happening. I'll show you. This is fine. Also, this one looks fine. But this one has the same issue. So I will go back and research this and see if there's anything I can do. This is the day after, and I went back and checked what it could be affecting my pumpkins, and unfortunately it looks like it is probably the Mosaic virus. And so that's why I'm taking out both of these plants. I'm not going to compost them, I'm just going to throw them away and cross my fingers and hope that this virus will not attack the other pumpkins I have planted. And also this virus could attack zucchinis, melons, watermelons, all the plants of that family. So yeah, I just hope it's not going to get there. We'll see. If you needed a visual of why no tilling is a good idea, look at how many seeds grew because of the tilling. My basil is doing good, but my zinnias and most of the flowers I planted here were actually eaten by snails. So I only have very few plants of zinnias. Everything else is just weeds. So I decided to weed and to transplant some of the seedlings of other flowers that I had available. Bells of Ireland and nasturtium. And while transplanted, I almost got hurt with this needle in the soil. And because I love pumpkins and I was just brokenhearted at the idea that I only had 2 plants left and I wouldn't even know if they would survive, I decided to go and buy other 2 plants of pumpkins to transplant today, in hope that they are far enough from where the 2 sick pumpkins used to be, and these will not get sick and I will have my pumpkins in October. That's all I want. So fingers crossed this one survives. And I intended to plant the second pumpkin where I used to have my peas. Uh-oh. There were ants. Okay, so change of plans because I'm not sure I want to plant here. And pumpkin number 2 is done. And here is a little update on my chicken coop, because the chicken home I'm building is taking way longer than I expected, surprisingly. I've decided to add these boxes where the chicken can rest a little bit and stay dry because it's been raining a lot, and they seem to enjoy it. And here I just wanted to show you this beautiful flower. It's the first time I managed to have one of these blooms, and I've actually planted many but in the wrong season, so only few sprouted, and this is the first one that managed to flower. So I'm very happy. If you don't know, I am actually thinking of opening my own flower farm, but right now I don't have the budget for it, so I'm just doing my experiment, and so I'm very happy. And my zucchinis have already started producing too many zucchinis. I've been eating zucchinis for the last few days, and it looks like I'm going to have zucchinis for many more days.